Today we talk about our Mirka PROS line, our pneumatic random orbital sander. We have a 5-inch and a 6-inch. We have three different orbits, 2.5 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and 8 millimeters. But we like to go a little bit deep in our technology. First of all, what do we find on the box? When you receive our sender, you open the box, and normally you find for sure special liquid oil where normally weekly you have to put in 1 drop inside the machine. We find our net pad saver. This is helping you to save money because you don't change often the backing pad, and also you become sustainable and a little bit more green like what we are now. You find, of course, the warranty instructions. Is the book with the warranty instruction. You find the key to remove the backing pad. You find the special accessories to assembly. After I can show you exactly for what you can use that with all the clear information here. You find this kind of screw and some things, not because we forgot to assemble, but I can explain you clear in a few minutes. And you find our fantastic book, technical explanation and how you can take care about the machine, everything. I guess I move this one. In this book, for instance, our process is a little bit different from our competitor. Many things you don't see outside, but we start with the easy system. The first of all, we have the special protect system. When you plug the air here, you don't risk the machine started to turn because this kind of system creates a safety shuts. Another good thing is you have the air come from here. In that part you can see, especially in winter time, you don't have some tools have the air directly here. You have the air inside your or close to your eyes and it become too big, cold. And another important thing, this one is rotating, and you don't have any trouble when you assemble your dust pipe. But I want to go a little bit deeper in one thing. Mirka was the unique company where we investigate a lot regarding how much is dangerous vibration, high vibration when the operator work. And we patented special things. For instance, when you remove the backing pad, the first question is our backing pad, it's 130 grams. Remember, if you change, try to buy the original one because sometimes the economical backing pad is more heavy or light. And this one creates a lot of vibration on machine when you work. But the important is, if you see it, you see the machine in that case, this is the PROS 650 means 6-inch, 5 millimeter orbit. You find inside the 2 screws here. If you want to apply the pad saver, just to save money and to reduce the changing backing pad time, in that case you apply probably 11 or 12 grams here. This means change totally the balance in the backing pad. To be able to reduce the vibration, that's why you find this plastic with these 2 screws. How to know when you have to apply this one? Easy. In all language, we have roughly 25 different languages. In the all language, you find inside our book, technical information specification, what you have to do if you apply the pad saver or interface or whatever. All the time, remember, when you apply some more things on the backing pad, you change you improve the vibration because that change the heavy, they change the weight, they change many things. Then also the speed control. Then, if you apply the Normally, people use the standard pad protection because it's really fantastic. You just save 80% of the real cost of the backing pad. But if you decide to use this one, you go to rig exactly in 2 minutes. Question. Another good things, you find in this backing pad 3, what you say, we call rondella, this one. This machine have a kind of simple brake concept. This means when a backing pad rotating, stop automatically or just quickly stop when you stop it to press the button. After a few months or few years sometime, this kind of simple brake system sometimes lose the power. In that case, if you feel that, and the backing pad when you stop still go on for a long time, you just have to remove backing pad, and you remove one of these 3. Normally we do this one after 1 year. You remove one of these 3 rondelle. In that case, your brake pad system, it works again. Another good things is our PROS is built with a special or unallergic rubber. This means you don't have any problem with this kind of rubber. You can control the speed, the power with this red button is here. And what I tell you before, you find also another nice accessories inside. If you found sometime some kind of, what they say, it's a kind of adapter, is strange. Then you can use this one to have at the same distance the dust house pipe with a air pipe. That's also in that case, you don't have any problem here. You have also in that case all clear instruction in this inside. Then remember, what you find inside our PROS box is you spend 5 minutes before you start to use the machine to understand exactly the benefit in this machine. We are the unique company where we patented the system how to reduce vibration, sound level also. We have this gamma, it works very well in the stressant area like industrial sectors or in the area where they need a light machine in the strong and not comfort condition. 3 different orbits for different kind of work. 2.5, 5 mm, 8 mm. Weight, we are around 800 grams. This means one of the most lighter tools on the world with some other competitors also. I say thank you from Yeppo.